Hello, lovelies. This is Love, Peace, and Happiness, the hair guru, coming at you with a different video. This is about a website called PinchMe.com. And what it is a free product site. You can go on and select your products that they will fit you with. And once you finish that survey, they will send you a box of product based on what you completed. And in return for the free product with no catches or anything, no kickback I receive, and I'm not paid to do this, they will send you a box. It takes roughly about a month or so, maybe a little bit longer. And I'm just showing you the box that I received. And I had actually made this ahead of time, so I did try the products to let you know how I felt they were from like a two-time use. So the first thing I received was clarifying charcoal from Pacha. It's all natural, paraben free. It's a charcoal soap. It's actually a black soap and it smells great. I used it on my face. I'm hoping that it was for that. It didn't really say, but it was excellent in removal of makeup and clarifying my skin a little bit, making it brighter. And it just, there was no residue afterward or anything. The next thing I received was a HelloFresh $50 gift card. It's a subscription that matches you and they'll send you pre-made food. Well, not pre-made, but everything is measured out. And you can try your meals that way. And the last thing that I received was a all-natural deodorant from Native Deodorant. It's a coconut and vanilla scented deodorant, and I was very concerned because I am a Mitchum's girl, and I know that it's not great for you with all that aluminum in there. However, this one is aluminum free and basically all natural. I was concerned about wetness and how it was going to hold up and last throughout the day. You know, I was worried about that. I must tell you, I did try it 2 days in a row, and I reapplied in the afternoon because it does not hold up quite as well, but it's an awesome deodorant. As far as keeping me dry, it was great, and scent-wise, it was beautiful. So that is what I received. So get you some. Try it out and check it out and let me know what you think. I'll leave everything in the description box below. And take care. Have a wonderful day.